So, welcome to Simple Fijian
Yeah.
ABC. And
Or do
today
you want to
we
go to
have,
it's like a Fijian ABC?
yes, Simple
Not teach us
Fijian.
how to speak in Fijian ABCD. It's teaching me basics because I actually do. That's my mom's language. I actually don't know. So he's
Okay,
teaching us. He's a teacher. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's like fluent in it. Very good.
okay. So let me ask you this question again. Why the interest in wanting to learn Fijian now that you have moved away overseas? Can you please explain?
It's because like I come across like a lot of Fijians, like Ethiopians, and when they speak our Ethiopian language, and it's just like it's kind of embarrassing. It's like I can't even reply back because they're speaking to me full on fluently in like Ethiopian. I can't even like reply back to whatever they ask me. I feel so embarrassed that I reply in English.
The important reason for us who have moved away that one of the way to connect back to our heritage, our identity is the important thing is the language. Language is the connection, is the connector. But because we live in isolation, it's very hard to be around people who speak the language. So what I try to do with those who are interested in learning the language is to get them back to learning the alphabet first of all, because it's there. We can actually see it. We practice memorizing the alphabet, learning the alphabet like we know, and getting to the point where we know the alphabet like we know the English alphabet. And from there we can start reading the language correctly. And through reading, of course, we will get to know the meaning. And if we don't know meanings of certain things that we read, we have the tools available, like the dictionaries that are available online. We can utilize that. So a simple start is start from learning the ABC, the Fijian ABC. All right. So today what we'll do is we'll just start with learning the vowel, the Fijian vowel. Before we start, can I just ask you, can you recite, do you remember the English vowel? Can you say the English vowel? If you remember from your lessons in school?
A E I O U.
Oh, all right. 10 out of 10 marks for that one. English is A-E-I-O-U. That's right. Yes.
Yeah, actually kind of sounds so similar to how we would say that
Yes.
ones too.
So that is the English vowel which you just said. But in Fijian, the vowel is uh, is more like, if you listen now, I'll say it's like A, E, I, O, U. That is the Fijian vowel. Could
Of
you
course.
repeat after me? A,
A
E.
E I O U.
Right.
Okay.
Can I please ask you to both just say it again in Fijian if you can, please. If not, I'll do it,
Yeah,
and then you can I'll repeat after me unless you know
I
it
can
now.
try. Yeah.
Try,
Is it
please.
A E I O U?
Nice.
Yeah.
That is the Fijian vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we've done very well there. That is the further start. We have tackled the Fijian vowel. We've seen that it is different from the way English vowel sounds, but that is how the Fijian is. And then on our next lesson, we'll go to do the 23 letters of the Fijian alphabet. So a big clap to both of you. Thank you very much. That was very nice.
A E I O. Now we have like 23 alphabets to learn.
Yes. A,
A
E, I, O, U.
26. 23. 26. A B C D E. Are we learning
Yeah,
26 or 20?
she's right. She's right. English is 26, but Fijian is 20, 23, 23, 3 letters less, eh? Is it?
He's saying you're right now.
Yeah. Thank
Yeah.
you.
He's
Smart girl.
Miss Know It All. She is actually too smart. She's too
Yeah.
smart. She is.
Yeah. If she
She's
sits
too
in on this
smart.
every week she'll just master the Fijian alphabet as well.
Yeah, she's very smart actually. Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay, so we'll end it there. Thank you so much. And
Thank
we'll
you.
come in again. I'll let you know of the day where we can start on the Fijian alphabet. Okay? All right. Okay, then. Both enjoy yourself.
Thank
Have
you,
a good
Mama.
night.
Thank you.
Eh?
We'll see you.